This is the Constructor, a 3D metal wireframe printer. It builds useful, durable and cheap structures out of metal wire. If you're like me, you like building things that can serve people. And if your skills are like mine, then working with metal is not a real option. Why? Because fabricating a complex design requires skills and equipment that many of us just don't have. But imagine a device that can take any human-sized 3D model, turn it into wireframes and build it using only standard metal wire. Now imagine this device is affordable, sits in your studio or local fab lab and allows you to start building cheap and strong structures. Who is it for? Well, for all of us, makers, designers, engineers and artists. We can now all create versatile objects, both prototypes and ready-to-use products. Unlike a 3D printer, the Constructor extrudes the wire without melting it, then welds, cuts, and repeats for every vertice in the wireframe, so it's very fast and energy efficient. It also comes with its own software that turns any 3D model into wireframes, performs stress and load analysis, and optimizes the structure to achieve maximal strength with minimal material. Simple. And of course, it's all open source. Plans, codes, and design. We might sell a few of them when they are ready, yet we are much more excited to think about studios around the world building their own constructors and start fabricating things we can't even imagine yet. So if you're fascinated like us by the new possibilities this opens, and if you want to see the Constructor become a reality, support us in any way you can so we can build it and give it back to you, your community, and all the builders out there. This is the Constructor, a 3D metal